Did you know that 75% of resumes never even make it to a human recruiter? They get rejected by a robot even before anyone reads them. If you've been sending out dozens of applications with zero responses, this might be the reason. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to optimize your CV for ATS, that's Application Tracking System, so you can get past resume screeners and actually land job interviews. By the end of this video, you will know how to build an ATS-friendly resume that gets you noticed. Let's fix your CV right now. Let's talk about what ATS actually is. ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. It's software that companies use to scan and filter resumes before a human ever sees them. Here is how it works. You submit your CV online. The ATS scans it for specific keywords, formatting, and qualifications. If your resume doesn't match what the system is looking for, it gets automatically rejected. No human sees it. No second chances. That's why you need a CV that's ATS friendly, meaning it's formatted and written in a way that these systems can actually read and score highly. The good news, once you know the rules, it's actually simple to fix. Let me show you exactly how to make your resume ATS friendly, step by step. Step 1. Use a simple, clean format. ATS systems can read fancy designs, graphics, tables, or columns. So skip the creative template. Use a basic layout with clear headings like work experience, education, and skills. If you need an ATS-friendly resume template free, just search simple resume template for Word or use Google Docs. Keep it simple and straightforward. Step 2. Use standard fonts. Stick with fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman. Size 10 to 12 is perfect. Nothing fancy. ATS can't read decorative fonts. Step 3. Include keywords from the job descriptions. Now, this is huge. ATS scans your CV for specific keywords that match the job posting. So here's what you do. Open the job description. Look for repeated skills, qualifications, and responsibilities. Then make sure those exact words appear in your resume naturally. For example, if the job says project management, don't write managed projects. No. Use the exact phrase, project management. Step 4. Use standard section headings. Don't get creative with section titles. Use work experience, education, skills, certifications. If you write something like my professional journey, the ATS might not recognize it and skip that entire section. 5. Avoid headers, footers, and text boxes. Many ATS systems can't read information in headers, footers, or text boxes. Keep all your content in the main body of the document. That means put your name and contact info at the top of the page, not in the header. Now, let's talk about what content to include to make your CV ATS friendly. Include hard skills and certifications. List specific skills that match the job. For example, Python, SQL, data analysis, project management professional. The ATS is scanning for these exact terms. Quantify your achievements. Instead of saying manage a team, say manage a team of 8, increasing productivity by 20%. Numbers get picked by ATS and also catch human attention later. Use both acronyms and full terms. If a skill has an acronym, use both of them. For instance, Search engine optimization and SEO are the same thing. Use both. Customer relationship management and CRM, use both. Why? Because you don't know if the ATS is searching for the acronym or the full term. Cover both just to be safe. Now, save your resume as a document or PDF. Most ATS systems prefer Word documents, but many also accept PDF. Check the job posting. If it says submit as PDF, do that. Otherwise, use a document just to be safe. Here is a quick way to check if your CV is ATS friendly. Copy and paste your entire document into a plain text editor like Notepad. If it looks readable and nothing is jumbled or missing, you're good. If sections disappear or formatting breaks, that's what the ATS sees, and you need to simplify and fix that. Another tip: use free ATS checker tools online. Just Google free ATS resume checker and upload your CV. It will tell you what keywords you're missing and how ATS friendly your format is. Follow these steps and you will get past the resume screeners and into the hands of actual hiring managers. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button for more job search tips. And if you want a free ATS friendly template, check the link in the descriptions to get your free template and tailor it to your style. Now, if you want to use LinkedIn for your job search purposes, I want you to see this video to see how you can optimize LinkedIn and make it your job finding machine. Learn how recruiters can come to you without you necessarily applying for any particular job, because the best job opportunities are often not posted. They don't find their ways into the job boards. See this video right now. Now go make that CV and start landing those interviews. You've got this.